All right, so we're gonna keep on sanding this down. It doesn't, you wanna have it just about half inch thick. Right, and see that slight slope? We're going to adjust that. All right, now I put my wedge in here. I'm going to put it in at an angle, okay? So I'm going to put it at an angle in there, and then I'm going to cut it with the coping saw. So it's at an angle like that. Okay, now I have it. And I'm going to smooth it out on the sandpaper. Right, there it is. I'm going to clean it up with sandpaper. All right, so it should look like that. I done cut my reed and put it in there. Now we're going to put in the caul. Let me find it. It fell off. All right, so we have it wedged in. Wedge that in the barrel. Let's see if it'll work. I haven't done any finish work on it. That's all I got, just roughed out. So that's telling me that I'm going to have to, it's nasally, I have to bring the deck down and the slope down just a little bit more. All right, I adjusted it a little bit more. Let's see where we are. Well, we lost something. What was it? What did we do? All right, so while I was sanding it down, I forgot to keep doing my slope, and I literally lost the play in the reed. It just locked up. So I took more off the slope. I've got it more like that. Always check, pinch your reed, see where it goes, and put it in like that. Okay. Okay, if you get that, you got to pull your reed out just a hair. It's too close. Getting there. All right, so after you have to keep sanding that, you have to put your slope on there and just keep messing with them. Finally, I got so it doesn't sound the best right now, but I still have to critique it. Make sure. So I put a little indentation on another reed, checked it, cut it to 1/2 inch. I put it on top, and now it's a double reed. So I could, with this floating wedge system, you can push this tone board and wedge in and out and adjust it. And if it feels like you have too much hold, just bore out the tone board. And if you feel like you aren't getting enough, just mess with sliding this in with the reed and the wedge, sliding this in and out of the bottom here, and just mess with it. So you can make a duck call in 20 minutes. And I challenge Matt Wangry of Daddy Duck 365. I challenge Daddy Duck, or I challenge George Canitas, New Hunter's Guide. Guys, check this out. I also challenge Greg Taylor. He makes calls. I challenge you to make one of these hardware calls. You can literally make it in 20 minutes if you follow this video. And also, if you subscribe, I have field calls. Next week, I will do a drawing. I'll also be doing a video on how to make a wood duck call out of this method. And I'll show you how I critiqued this call and how it sounds much better. But I only had so much time tonight. So, guys, check it out. Make sure to subscribe. All the guys I challenged, I want to see your videos on how to make a 20-minute call with this method, the hardware store and Walmart method. If you need a list, I will put a list below of all the tools you need. See ya.